long days, and we're going round and round playing silly games. Now you're saying slow it down, not right now. Then you wink at me and walk away. Let it be, let it be, let it be known. Touching and teasing me, telling me no, but this time I need to feel you. Ride it, we're all alone. Ride it, just lose control. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Ride it, turn the lights down low. Ride it, from head to toe. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Marita was the club on Saturday. You're acting like a diva, saying you don't wanna pay. It's gotta be your feisty style, raise that crowd. I love it when you look at me that way. Now we're in your order a mojito at the bar. Reapply your lip because it came off on the glass. The DJ plays your favorite song, Kanye's on. Now you're beckoning for me to dance. Pulling me close. And you close your eyes. Baby, close your eyes. Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it. We're all alone. Ride it, just lose control. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Ride it, turn the lights down low. Ride it, from head to toe. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Everything was right until her phone began to ring. She takes it to the bathroom, that's when I start wondering. I can hear her voice, she's whispering, but still it's clear. She's lying through her teeth, pretending she ain't even here. Last time that I checked, my name wasn't Sarah, so she must be telling her man that she's at her girlfriend's home. That's when it got scary, she said, babe, I love you too. Now go to sleep or else you won't wake up in time for school.
Black and Beats vibe.